You want to know how to write a sales page. This is something that as an entrepreneur, you're going online, you're going to have to do time and time again every time you launch a new offer. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy sales page template that you can use for your offers. So this is part 2 of a how to create your offer online series. Part 1, we went through how to find what you want to offer. And tomorrow we're going to go through some email marketing and social media. If you don't know me, I'm Angela McMillan. I am the creator of Online Marketing Growth Bootcamp, which is a 12-week intensive that takes you through step by step all of everything that I'm sharing with you on the video today. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified when my next video goes live. So let's dive into how to create your template for your sales page. And this is the sales page that I've currently got for my Movement Online Academy. I have one offer, which is my VIP Diamond subscription, which is a blended program. Students get both online classes, weekly classes, and they get access to the library, which is inside of this program. So let's take you through the sales page. So if you click here, it'll open up the sales page, which I've already got open over here. So it's Shift Your Awareness Blended Program. You can buy monthly or yearly subscription. I'm going to take you through this exact template in a moment. And I got this template from a guy you may or may not know called Mitch Mitchell. He's a digital creator, awesome guy. Anyway, so what is it you actually do that helps people change their pain and current movement habits? So start with a big question. What is the question that people have about what you're offering? And then you can add a story testimonial from your clients. And I've put 2 here, one from Anne and one from Mags, who are both representative of the 2 types of people that come to my online classes. Anne has chronic pain and she was struggling for a long time, and Mags is actually a yoga teacher. And then I've popped a video underneath that, and that shares some of my students. Then we go into some myths. So there's a lot of myths around what I teach online, the Feldenkrais method. So I talk about stretching, and then I talk about getting stronger, and how pain sometimes isn't the best thing when you're working out. And then the 3 other common questions that I get asked is, how do I know if this movement method is right for me? How is it different from yoga and Pilates? And what should I expect from an awareness through movement lesson? So you state the questions and then you move on to answering those questions. So let's take a look at the template. If you're on my email list, you actually get access to this template in a little download. And this is actually part of my Online Marketing Growth Bootcamp. This is one of the sales page templates. And you can see that I've actually got that question. What does it actually do that helps? Then add the story about your client. Block 2 is a testimonial. Write down myths and pain points that the client might be feeling. And I've popped those questions in there. Then you want to go into why is your course different? Then what's included? So state the feature, then the benefits of that feature. So in my course, I actually have an awesome feature, which is my students get a podcast download where they can click open their favorite podcasting app and actually subscribe to all the audios on a podcasting app. If you want to hear more about that, let me know in the comments. It's called Hello Audio, and I can take you through that. So what's included? Feature and then benefits. And what you actually want to say is so that, and answer that, so that they can what? Then block 7 is your bio, and then frequently asked questions. Now, I've actually changed platforms. The platform that you're looking at here is on Teachable, and I'm currently launching my new platform, which is this one here, Movement Online Academy. And I've built this same sales page over here. Both platforms are limited in their sales page, how to build them. Let me know if you want a video on how to build on these two platforms. So I'm a big advocate for the Teachable platform. The reason I'm moving to this platform is you can see here in this big statement that I've made to build a community away from the distractions of social media. So I'm actually offering both the VIP Diamond plan. So that's my offer that I've got at the moment, where they get the online classes and the audios. But I've also got a free plan in this membership. And that's what I'm most excited about, is I can have both my paid community and a free community on the one platform, and they can interact and get to know each other. So you can see down the bottom, there's the free plan, and then there's the VIP Diamond subscription. If you click here on more details, a window pops out and it actually shows the same script I was just showing you, which is this one here. I do need to add the video testimonial, but I do have some testimonial screenshots there, but it's the exact same script that I've just been taking you through. So that is how to put together a very simple sales page so that there's nothing stopping you from putting out your offer this week if you wanted to. Watch yesterday's video on what you want to offer, write your sales page, and keep a lookout for the next video where I'll take you through 3 emails that you can write and some social media posts that can promote your offer. If you haven't even started an email list and created an engaged audience, then go join my free program, which is Create, Design, and Deliver Your First Freebie Offer. That'll get you started in sharing what value you have to give to the world. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, you click that bell icon so you'll be notified when my next video goes live. I'll be doing more of these how-to videos, how to create your online practice, how to shift your business online. And if you have any videos that you would like me to create, post in the link comments below and I will see if I can make them for you. Bye.